Let's make a bouquet out of seashells.
So I kind of have a few made already before I decided I should make this into a video. Basically, I've just been gluing them together and I eventually make it into a bouquet. Some of them are just plain shells, some are glued together. So we're kind of just learning as I go and just trying to experiment. But right now, this is what I did on the back. I just have a popsicle stick, like a little sponge, and it's hot glued on, so it had a little bit more cushion. I'm not sure if that's what I'll keep doing as I keep going, but we'll see what happens. And I'm gonna run to the store eventually and grab some more like floral wire and I don't know what it's called, but the foam thing that you stick them in, and we'll see how we'll put the bouquet all together. But this is where I'm at right now. I almost feel like this one's too small, and that could maybe work as the center. I don't know what to do, you guys. I wish you could just tell me. Okay, so I think this is the top contender right now. I think I'm overthinking it and I'm just gonna do this one. Looks cute, right? Okay, next I'm thinking I'll make like this little one and then put like this whiter one in the center. We're gonna get a preliminary little stick together. That could be cute, kind of like a little rose. That one's gonna be hard to glue together, but maybe I'll make like that one too. All right, now I'm gonna put some on the back. This guy on here. Cushion. So I just cut out a piece of the sponge, but then I'm gonna cut it in half too so it's not so thick, because like I don't need all that. And then like from here I can cut these into smaller squares, but I think like for this one I feel like I want a little bit bigger maybe. I really don't know what I'm doing, guys. Don't use this as a tutorial. Then I am stabbing a hole in it so that I can get the popsicle stick through. Put some hot glue, so there, and on the bottom. I don't know if this is actually a good idea, like I was saying. I'm just kind of winging it, but I figured like doing this, it'll have more surface area on the sponge to stick to. And also, I'm doing it with these materials because these are what we have laying around, and I'm trying to, you know, use up what we got first before I go buy new materials. So we're trying to make do with some popsicle sticks, a sponge, a hot glue gun, and some shells. Alright, and these are the two finished ones. I think they turned out pretty cute. And then if I did like that on top, or is that a lot? Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, wait, brainstorming session real quick. Do we keep it like this, or I need something to fill the gaps? And then I have this one. Oh, like this. Oh, that's kind of big, just kidding. Like, do we like that better than this? Okay, although I thought the 2-layered would be cute, I'm thinking just I'll do 1 layer and then this can be its separate one, because I have this one which is layered, which I actually think this is my favorite so far. But like in terms of it sticking out, it's literally like the same thickness, and I feel like if I went double on this it would be kind of obnoxious. Ugh, I don't know. I'm so bad at making decisions, you guys. This is hard. So I'm gonna decide that later because I can't decide what to do, but we're gonna find a center for this one and then put it off to the side. So I feel like this one might be the better option. This was the one I was thinking to kind of do like a rose, like that, but better. Oh, that's hot, because this shell is thin. Oh, it's hot. Don't touch the hot glue. I love this one. That's so cute. Okay, I'm trying to envision it. Okay, so I bought these wires, and I also bought this. I don't know how to use or what to do with any of them. So, like I said a million times, we're just gonna wing it. Oh, I also bought this, okay? Then we stick all of these in here to make the bouquet. I don't know, something like that. Okay, so I took this straighter wire and I kind of like twisted it around my finger, sort of. Kind of like that. I'll just put a little glue. Seems pretty secure since I stuck it in that side. And I'll have to cut this obviously because it's so long. I don't know the best way to like start arranging them. I'm so tempted to just like stick them all in there. Just be like, okay, now I need to add one here or one there. But I've never worked with this before, so I don't know how forgiving it is if I like stick it in and then pull it out and want to move it. Okay, I've decided I'm just gonna use this one chunk of it, and I'm just gonna wing it. So I'm gonna kind of start putting them together-ish and see how I can make this work. I don't know how long to cut them though, so that's the other question. And I think for like this coral, I'm gonna try to wrap it around right here and then use it as a stem, which maybe is when I'm supposed to be using this, because this is a lot bendier. Maybe I'll try to use a little bit of this to wrap it and then wrap it onto this, and I can always put hot glue. Doesn't seem very stable. Maybe I just need to use this thick wire. It's kind of hard to bend the wire, but go like this. And slap a little hot glue on it. We're not going for perfection here. Do not use this as a tutorial. Okay, that seems to work, so I'm just gonna go all the way around. Oh no, it's falling. Oh no. JK, did not work. I think this series should just be called Chaos Crafting. I'm drowning it in hot glue, you guys. Not great, but we're gonna throw some hot glue on there like I did with that coral. It's getting too long, so now I need to fill out the sides. And I'm thinking I'll put this one like this, kind of, and try to fill out this side, because this one, even though it's adorable, I kind of think it's going to be a little obnoxious, but maybe I can fill out the other side with it. I don't know. Started filling in this side, but I need like all three other sides basically. I only have this one flower, quote unquote, left. I do, however, want to make another flower out of these because I made this one, but it's like the underside, so I think it would be cool to make one with this showing because it's so pretty. And I'd like to make something with these maybe, but I feel like it's coming together. I don't exactly know how I'm gonna make it like a bouquet, but we're kind of getting there. Okay, I think that these will be the last two. Hopefully. Alright, I think I'm finally done. At least with the main bouquet part. Now the question is, what do I do with this? I don't know how to make it into a bouquet. Maybe the thought I had was I just like cut this in half because I didn't really use that half, and then I find a vase that I could fit this in and fill the edges on the bottom with sand so it like covers this, like fill it with sand here, and then this is like the flowers coming out of the little vase is my thought. But now I need to go find a vase.
And here's the final bouquet. I think it turned out pretty well, especially for all the chaos that went into it. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me, and thanks for watching!